Presenting a pre-owned 2008 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 24,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include premium package, navigation system, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, moonroof, leather seats, stability control, traction control, and Bluetooth.